The tumbling capsule is a very old toy. Take a old capsule. Capsules are often made from starch. Remove the two parts and put a cycle ball bearing inside and then fix the other part. Now you can see the ball bearing moving inside the capsule. You can make it tumble on the palm of your hand. Then take a long card sheet and fold it along the midline to make a long channel. Place the capsule on one end, and as you incline the channel, the capsule will magically tumble from one end to the other. It is an absolutely fascinating toy, and you can play with it for long hours. It costs very little money